Hey, it's Tyrone Jackson, the Wealthy Investor, and I want to talk to you about being successful in the stock market in 2020. So I'm going to give you some patterns. Spend a little time with me here. By the way, if you like this content, be sure to click that subscribe button so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Now let's talk stocks. 2019 was a really interesting year, but the question that I have for you is, did you own stocks that were in favor? So I want to show you two charts here. Take a look at Starbucks here, and this is the 52-week chart, and you'll see the ticker symbols SBUX. The range on the stock was from $63 to $99, right? So that means that the stock essentially went up on the year 59%, okay? Starbucks was in favor. Now let me show you another chart, and that is of Disney, ticker symbol DIS. Now you'll notice Disney was a little bit more expensive. It went from 107 to 153. Disney was up 40%. Interesting, because that meant that last year, 2019, Starbucks was more in favor. The big money liked Starbucks and they pushed it higher. Well, what if I could show you month by month, year by year, which stocks are in favor? Would you own them? Would you buy them? Would you trade them? The choice is yours. And that's what I love about the Wealthy Investor Program, is you allow me to be your guide. So allow me to be your guide through the stock market throughout the whole year so that we're making sure that we're always trading and investing stocks that are in favor. That's today's lesson.